Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go. Let's start by making the track. To do that, I will go to floor plan view. The track will be made here in room elements by this beam. But first, let's go to helplines and labeling so that we know where to place it. Like we have explained, the track would go on top, like it will pass on top of this, in the middle of this table. It will go here and it will come all the way here, then it will turn, so that will place the projector that will light up this plant. And on here it will pass between the bed and the wall. Okay, for here the track will start, it will have an offset of 15 centimeters between the wall and the table. Well, between the wall and the starting of the track. To draw that, I will go to draw reference line. I will choose it here. Then I will choose an offset of 0.15, then one number of parallels. So my track will start here and it will go all the way here. I should know where it would stop here, and it's actually going to be the middle between this bed and the wall. To know the middle between the bed and the wall, I will first measure this distance between the bed and wall. It's 0.922. I'll use my calculator. 0.922 divided by 2, 0.461. 0.461, I will draw a reference line. It should be here. 0.461. See, now it went to the left because, like I have explained before, this is the beginning, this is the end. The parallels always go to the left. For us to change that, to bring this line here to the right, I can either write minus here, minus 0.461, or I can change the orientation of this line here, and it goes now to the right. I need another reference line. It should start here in the middle. If you cannot find the middle, it's easy to find it. The way to do it is by actually using two lines here. The first passes through here, the second passes here, and then now this is the middle. So I will start my line here where the two lines meet, then I will come all the way here. I should make sure the angle is 180, and then that's it. Easy. So now I will select it again. I will expand it till it gets to this line. So now my track will go here and all the way here. Okay, I will hover over this one so I will know where it will start exactly. So it will start here. As for this one, I will take it to the right like this. So this is the exact path, track path. I will click on this one. The length of this, where is it? So yeah, this is the position, this is the length. Well, I cannot change the length actually here, but I'm gonna see here, I'm gonna just hover over this line. I can press the tab and I will make this 2.2 meters. It comes all the way here. Maybe this is too much. I will change it. I will press on tab again. 2 meters. I think yes, 2 meters is good. As for this one, I will check the length of it. It's 2.43. I will make it 2.45, and I will take it a little bit to the right by clicking on move. I will take it a little bit to the right. So it will start in less than 15 centimeters from the wall, but it's okay. Then I will go to room elements, beam, draw rectangular room. I will click on this end of the line. I will go to this end here. I will go to this direction. But for me to know the width, I will press tab key again. Then I will make it 0.03. Then I will move it so it aligns with the existing line here. I will copy and paste it. I will rotate it 90 degrees. Then I will bring it here. Again, I will bring it on top of this line. Then I will move it up here. I will move it here. Then as for this part of the truck, I will move it here. Then as for this one, I will scale it. I will bring it till it touches this end of the line. Here is it. In 3D, it will look like that because it drops, this beam drops 1 meter by default. I will select both of them. I will change this to 0.05 because it's actually a recessed track, because we have this drop ceiling or false ceiling. I want it to look recessed. Then I will go to materials. I will pick the material of these tracks. I'll make it dark. Let's make it 5. The reflective coating should be like 4. Then I will drag and drop this new material like that. This track looks a little bit thick, so I can change it. I can make its width, which corresponds to length here, 0.02. Same here, 0.02. Then I should come here, move it this way. I will move this one here, and my track is ready to receive the luminaires.
Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.